In this video, we demonstrate the hole recognition feature in BobCAD-CAM, designed to simplify and accelerate CNC drilling programming. When working with complex parts that contain multiple holes of different diameters and depths, manual programming can take significant time. The programmer typically needs to select each hole, assign drilling cycles, define tools, and configure machining parameters individually. With BobCAD-CAM hole recognition, the software automatically scans the CAD model and detects all hole features. It intelligently identifies hole types such as simple holes, counterbores, and countersinks, and groups them based on size and geometry. Once recognized, the programmer can quickly generate the appropriate drilling operations and toolpaths with just a few clicks. This automation dramatically reduces programming time, from around 20 minutes of manual work to just a few minutes, while improving accuracy and consistency in CNC machining. Hole recognition is an essential productivity feature that helps programmers create efficient drilling operations faster and with greater reliability. Download your copy of BobCAD now. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe us for more workshop improving tips.